Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, April the 17th, 2024. And I've already, we have here 7 extra puzzles. 7. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And I've already solved 3 puzzles in the afternoon. So, yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay. The first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku, number 8378. 8378. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Wow. Usually the 3 Stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the number. Well, which number shall I pick? Which number shall I pick? How about? We have a 1 and a 9 in this column, the 1 and a 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay, 1. 1, okay. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left is 7 should be there. 4, okay. Yeah. Alright, now let me see which number can I pick. How about 2, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. Alright. So we have a 9 there, okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in the middle column, so no 1 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Alright. Then, let me see. 8. Yeah, I need the 8 there. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only two places left on 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column. Second column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, only place left on 8 should be there. 8, 8, cannot continue with 8 now. Okay, and now one box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 5, 5. Okay. 3, 3. 2, 2. Yeah. How about? Well, we need a 6 here. 6. Need a 6 there. Let me think. Think. Need a 4 here. Yeah, need a 2 here. Come on. This is taking so long. 5, 3. Having troubles. 9. Need a 9 there, okay. Yeah. 2, 3, no, 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. Yeah. 4, 4. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4, I should be there. Need a 9 there. Need a 9. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for the mother. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, so now 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then let me see. 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And that box, 1 or 2, should be the 2. Okay. So now we have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So here 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright, 5, 5. Need a 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 3. These 3 missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 8, 5, 6. 8, 5, 6. That means 1 number left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. First 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column. Third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now, let me see. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row? So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1. How about the 2 then? Yeah, I marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now in the first row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright, and now, 3 there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. 9 and a 4, we already have a 4 here in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 is should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, okay. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this middle column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 2 numbers left should be the 8 and the 6 then. Let me mark those, 8 and the 6, okay. So we have a 5. Wait. And 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here, the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 6, we have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left 6 should be there. 7 and 5, we have 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left 8 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finished in 14 minutes. Well, 14, faster than 50 minutes, told you. Should be a one-stop puzzle, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.